package. Every time I get a new package, I get stoked. FRP sent over their new GMB 100. So we're gonna open this thing up. And everyone's been saying, you know, gas power, gas power. We got you covered, all right? So let's open this thing up, show you guys what we got inside. You see that method?
Yo! I'm more impressed with this seat. Bro, that's what I need for the go-kart.
Dude, 4 of these suckers? Forks.
Yo, it's a neck gator. Try it out, brother. Put it over your head, dude. Leave it like, just like that. That's how you ride.
All right, so Matt just found this in his garage. We're gonna wear it because it's red.
That's worth it. Got the front tire on. Damn, sit on that thing. Yo, bro. This thing's got a kill switch on the bars?
Saying, dude. People wanted the motor. You got a 4-stroke right here, buddy.
What the frick?
Dude, look at that. There's 3 different modes up in there. 1, 2, 3.
That's actually sick. Dude, that would be like a sick helmet.
All right, the bike said needs some oil. How we looking here?
All right, you want to base it off one thing. Price.
Price, $8.49 right here, brother.
It's synthetic too.
Me and Matt were literally just talking about this. We haven't had anything like gas related than actual engine on the channel in a fat minute. So this is actually pretty dope.
Gotta get the oil into the valves.
How we looking?
I don't know, dude. This oil sticks.
Just enough to get to the gas station, brother. Alright, the GMB 100 is all put together. We got some oil. We got some BP up in this thing. Choke on. That's it, huh?
First yo!
First try. Quit playing.
Hurry! Yo! You gotta heat cycle these things.
FRP GMV 100 in all its glory right now. Hang on, let me put some gloves on. So I think this thing, I don't think it rips like it's super fast like as you guys would think. We got Matt and he's gonna be on his go-kart, so that thing should definitely be faster than this. But so it does have a light, you guys saw that. I just haven't mounted it up because I'm trying to get out here before the sun goes completely down. So, but dude, the all red, this thing's popping. And a 99cc 4-stroke HOV engine. This thing is hilarious. Oh, he's gone. All right, I'm wide open right now. So apparently 24 miles an hour. Oh yeah, it just topped out right there. Damn it, it low-key felt like it had a little more. But this bike is available at Walmart and Amazon. So I guess you could say this has got to be like, I think this bike retails for, I don't know how much. I'm gonna say 400 bucks. Oh! Dude, should I do it right here? First burnout attempt.
What the freak,
Yo! What up? Let's go, dog. Damn.
Oh, it's electric?
That one's electric, yeah. Dude.
What the heck?
Dude, you low-key look like Lil Mosey.
I don't know how many times I get that.
You get that? Damn. Damn. I can't keep up. Let's see here. state of California. It's probably gonna cost me like $70 to fill up this little thing. 554 for some 91. Right quick. Bet. Hey, 88 cents, dog. Yeah. It's so sketchy in the dirt. Whoa. Ah! Hit it, don't stop. Yo! So sketchy going on the. Do you see how sketchy it was? Freaking brakes only slow you down. Freaking dude. Dude, I'm cooking. See how much gas we got left in this thing? Oh my gosh, we are chilling. This thing doesn't even burn gas. I thought I was crashing. I thought I was crashing. I think he doesn't realize how hard it is to ride that thing on dirt. It's not meant for dirt, guys, so this is just purely for fun. Thank you, FRP, for sending this butte over. I'm gonna have fun with this. I think I'm gonna put a turbo in it. I don't know. On to the rest of this video. We're installing my Baja lights, so let's go.